Before I start with this video, I'll show you how to claim free 70 cents, free CSGO skins, free CSGO cases and 10% deposit bonus on Hellcase. First thing you need to do is create an account on Hellcase. For example, you can join through Steam account. When did you create an account, navigate promo code in top right corner and enter promo code Razor affiliate in a promo code box. Hit apply and now you can claim your bonus. Yo, what is up guys, Razor here and welcome back to a new Hellcase video. Today guys, we have $2,700 on the balance, and in this session I'll try with some case battles, maybe some case opening, and of course we'll try to upgrade some of my skins. Okay, I will start things off with some old good case battles guys. Gamma knives, shiny knives, hard luxury and prince. $1,000 case battle, only 4 fucking cases. So let's call Hellcase bot Zim. Guys, if you are not feel waiting, you can always call Hellcase bot and you can start case battle instantly, which is really cool feature on this website. So let's check it out. $198 gut knife lore, not bad I think. Let's see, we are in the lead by, I don't know. Okay, we are in the lead now. We are in the pretty lead now. So let's see, last case. We won first case battle, which is really cool. We won $1,500. So let's sell it and let's try with some other cases. Let's do another case battle. Let's try our luck with freehand 3 cases and on Itachi 3 cases, $582. Let's call bot again and let's see guys, 6 cases. Come on buddy, something really good, something really huge. We need redline AK, $21. Okay, bad pull to be honest. On Itachi case, we need best pull from this case. Come on. Okay, this AK, how much is it? $11. Okay, freehand 3 cases. Ooh, we need one freehand knife, bro. We need one good freehand knife. Okay, got knife freehand, $153. Minimal wear condition, really good. And let's see, is it profit? No, it's not. It's not definitely. So
today's video is sponsored by SkinPlace. SkinPlace is a platform where you can sell skins instantly and easily withdraw your money. All you need to do, log in via Steam, select the skins you want to sell, enter your wallet, PayPal, Kingwin cards, and cryptocurrency are all available for withdrawal, so choose your preferred method. Don't forget to use my promo code Razor Affiliate to get an extra 3% on the first sale. Double check all the information and click Receive Money. The whole thing took me 6 minutes, so that's really fast. Follow the link to SkinPlace in the video description.
Let's switch up to some upgrades. Let's try to upgrade these bullshit skins. Let's try to hit 2x. Let's try with this stained karambit, 44% chance. We are close, but no chance. Okay. Let's do one more case battle. And we can switch up things to some case openings. Let's do one more huge case battle like Ruby Cherry, 2 cases. And lore 2 cases. $1,220 cost this case battle. It will be 3rd success in a row if we win this one. So guys, cross fingers for me. Ruby Cherry first case. Okay, this AK $418. That's not bad. Okay, glows. Okay, we are in the lead. We are in the lead. Lore case. Okay, mine is better. Last case. I think we won. We won. $1,820. So guys, we are in profit. Let's open some cases. Which one? CS2 knives case. Let's try it. Let's do 5. $650. Let's see. Ooh, we are close. Skeleton knife, but nothing. Okay. 5 knives. Let's try upgrade to X. Maybe this X-ray AK. It will be nice. Left side 44%, and let's add balance. Let's try like this 50.50 chance, guys. Okay, wish me luck. $1,000 AK we hit. So guys, we are in profit. Let me check how much. We are in profit over $800 in this session, which is really cool. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most importantly, check out Hellcase under the best promo code Razor Affiliate and claim free money, free CSGO skins, free cases, and 10% deposit bonus. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.